I always like to highlight the question, wrap my mind around it so that I know what I need to answer. And it says the entry to apply the factory overhead costs for the year would include. So we're going to be applying it. That's the amount we're going to transfer from factory overhead to work in process based on a predetermined factory overhead rate. Now I can read the question and I can see that the manufacturing company applies factory overhead based on direct labor hours. At the beginning of the year, it's estimated the factory overhead is 360 and direct labor hours would be 45,000. I have to calculate that predetermined factory overhead. So I can do that. I can take my division, take the 360,000, and I'm going to divide that by 45,000. And I'll get an answer of $8 per hour. So for every direct labor hour, I'll apply $8 of factory overhead. It says, if we read further, the actual manufacturing of overhead costs incurred were $377,200 and direct labor hours were 47,000. Well, for this question, the amount incurred, the actual cost, is irrelevant. But I do need to know how many actual hours, and that's $47,000. So I'm going to multiply that times my 8, and that's going to give me a solution of 376,000, which would be credited to factory overhead and debited to our work in process.